Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product reviews and recommendations. Today, we've got something truly special in store for you.
If you're a fan of classic and timeless style, comfort, and quality, then you're in for a treat.
We're diving into the NPQQUAN Original Classic Low-Profile Baseball Cap Golf Dad Hat.
This is hands down one of the best hats available in the market right now, and I'm here to tell you all about it.
Behold, the NPQQUAN Original Classic Low-Profile Baseball Cap Golf Dad Hat.
Now, I know what you might be thinking, it's just a hat. But trust me, folks, this is no ordinary hat. Let me walk you through why this hat is a must-have for anyone looking for style, comfort, and affordability.
First off, let's talk about the key features that set this hat apart.
This baseball cap boasts a low-profile, unconstructed design, which means it maintains that classic and timeless look. The soft cotton fabric used in its construction is not only lightweight but ensures better comfort when you wear it.
It's like a cloud for your head. Now, let's talk about size and fit.
This hat is designed to fit most head sizes, thanks to its adjustable metal buckle back closure. With a head circumference that can be adjusted from 20.8 to 25.2 inches, this cap truly fits like a glove.
And for all the ladies out there, it features a rear opening design that comfortably accommodates low ponytails. But wait, there's more. The NPQQUAN baseball cap isn't just about comfort and style. It's also about durability. The reinforced professionally hemming stitch makes this cap lightweight yet incredibly durable, ensuring that it can stand the test of time. No need to worry about wear and tear with this one. Now, let's talk about style.
This cap features an exquisite embroidery on high-quality cotton cloth.
It's comfortable, breathable, lightweight, and durable, all at the same time. Whether you're wearing it for daily use, sports, fishing, travel, or any outdoor activity, this cap is a fashion statement that complements any outfit. And here's the kicker, folks. This amazing hat comes at an unbeatable price. While the typical price is $9.99, you can grab it right now for just $8.99 on Amazon. That's a 10% discount.
But remember, it's a limited time deal, so make sure you don't miss out.
Now, I know you might be wondering if this hat lives up to the hype.
Well, let's check out what customers have to say. With over 1,231 ratings, it has a solid 4.2-star rating overall. Customers praise the quality and value of this hat, mentioning that it's a solid hat at a very low cost. Some even used it creatively for costumes, like making wigs out of braided yarn. Just take a look at these images shared by satisfied customers. The NPQQUAN baseball cap looks stylish and comfortable on all types of heads. So, there you have it, folks, the NPQQUAN Original Classic Low-Profile Baseball Cap Golf Dad Hat. It's stylish, comfortable, durable, and affordable, all the qualities you'd want in a hat. Don't miss out on this fantastic deal. Click the link in the description to get yours today. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful.
Thanks for joining us on this review, and stay tuned for more amazing products here on Product Critique. Until next time, stay stylish and stay comfortable.